Hey guys, it's Matt here again from Appliance Testing Supplies, and today we're going to have a look at the extremely powerful Delta Pro Print Kit and see how it works. First off, this kit is in fact tailored to people who specifically want a complete test and tag solution. What this means is it includes everything you need from the appliance tester, the printer to print the tags on the spot, scanning abilities, software, data entry, and so on. And it's worth mentioning that all these bits and pieces are the best of the best in terms of quality, and compared to other print packs, offers the best value comfortably. The idea behind this kit is it'll streamline your test and tagging and basically make your job a whole lot easier. One way it does this is by the extremely powerful aPAT software, which is supplied with the license when you buy this kit. With this software, you can customize on how you plan on your testing and tagging, such as creating custom test parameters and shortcuts to get through your tests faster and sending test results to the main office before leaving the test site. To run this properly, you'll need to have an Android tablet or phone, as everything from the scanning the data, data entry, updates to retesting and taking photos is all done through this device. If you've got one already, that's great. If not, it's definitely worth picking one up separately based on the kit price and its functionality. This kit is excellent value for money, and if you're looking for a test and tag system, this is the ideal solution.